Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve a practice question for sequences. Find the next three terms in each sequence and describe the term-to-term rule. Okay, look at here. Number one, you got 11, 13, 15. Okay, so this is just plus by 2. So next three is gonna be 17, 19, and 21. So this is add 2. Next, we got 88. And then 99, 110. So look at the difference is plus by 11. So next, after 111, 121, 132, and 143. So this is add 11. Next, 64 to 32 and 32 to 16. Let us see the sequence. So here we can divide by 2. So 16 divided by 2, 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this is divide 2. Divided by 2. Sorry. Next, we got 8 and then 16, 24, and 32. Okay, so this is plus by 8, plus 8, plus by 8. So 32 plus by 8 is 40, plus by 8, 48, plus by 8 is 56. So this is add by 8. Next, we got minus 2, minus 4. Okay, so look at the difference. It's going to be minus by 2, minus again by 2, minus again by 2. So this is just subtract 2. Okay, next question, we got 1 over 4 to be 1 over 2 and then 1. Okay, the difference is times 2, times 2. Here we get times, so we're going to be 2, 4, and 8. So this is multiply by 2. Next question, 1 and then 2. Look at 1 to be 2, then to be 4. Okay, let's see. 1 plus 1 is... Okay, no. Okay, let's make it plus 1. Here is plus 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 2. Okay, we got it, the pattern. So after 7 is 7 plus 1 is 8. Right? Wait, let's check it again. Okay, 1 plus by 1 is 2. And 2 plus 1 is 3, plus by the previous one. Okay, 2 plus 4. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 add with the previous one is gonna be 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Isn't it? 8. 8 we add with the previous one is gonna be 12. And after 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 plus by 17. Well, let's check it again. This pattern. So the difference, this is plus by 1. This plus by 2. Plus by 3. Add 1 each time. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, which is 11. Plus 5, 16. And then we plus again by 6, which is 22. So this is add more. Add 1 more, sorry. Let me rewrite. Add 1 more each time. Then added, okay, here add to previous term. Okay, next we got 1, 6, 11, and 16. So plus 5, here also plus by 5. Okay, plus 5. Obviously, so 21, 26, and 31. So this is add 5. Next, list. Okay, we should list the first 4 terms of the sequence. List first 4 terms with the following rules. Okay, let's start with number 1. Starting with number 7. Add 2 each time, so 7, 9, 11, and 13. Next, starting with 37, subtract 5 each time, so 37, 32, 27, and 22. Next, start with 1. Then multiply by 1 over 2 each time. So 1, 1 over 2, 1 over 4, and then 1 over 8. Next, start with 5. Then multiply by 2 and add 1 each time. So 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11, 11 times 2 is 22, plus 1 is 23, 23 plus, times 2. So gonna be 46, 46 plus 1 is 47. E, start with 100, then divided by 2, okay, divide by 2, and subtract by 3. Okay, divide by 2 is 50, 50. And then minus 3 is gonna be 47. So 147, 47 divided by 2 and minus by 3 is gonna be 20.5. 20.5 divided by 2 and minus by 3 is gonna be 7.25. There you go. Next, write down the first 3 terms of each sequence, then find the 35th. Okay, n is mean position. So if n equal to 1, n equal 2, n equal 3, and then this is n equal to 35. So the first one, 2 times 1, so this is 5. Point and 2 is gonna be 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. Next, n equal to 3. 2 times 3 is 6, plus by 3 is 9. And finally, n equal to 35. So 2 times 35, here we can make it t. 35 is gonna be 1225. Next, n square. So starting 1 and then 4, 9. Sorry, it has to be 73. So this t35 is 35 square, which is 1225. Okay, next question. 6n minus 1. So it's gonna be 5, 11, 17. And then the t35 is gonna be 6 times 35. And then we minus by 2, which is 209. Next, n cube. And then minus by 1. So we got 0, 7, and then 26. So t35 is, n is 35, so 35 cube, we minus by 1. So this will be 42,874. Next, n square minus 1, so this is gonna be 0. 2 square is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2. And then 3 square is 9, minus by 3 is 6. Now t35. So 35 square, we minus by 35. So this will be 1190. Next question, 3 minus 2n. So it's gonna be 1 minus 1 and minus 3. So t35 is 3 minus by 2 times 35. So this is gonna be minus 67. Look at 4. Consider the sequence 2, 10, 18, 26. Find the n term of the sequence. So we need to find the n term. So let us write it here. 2, 10, 18, 26, 34, 42, and 50. So let's find the difference is 6, not 6, 8. So plus 8, here also plus by 8, here also plus by 8. Okay, all of them plus by 8, plus by 8. So this to make it 2, we can make it 8 and minus by 6. Okay, we got it. So 8 and minus by 6. Next, find the 200 term. So T200 is gonna be 8 times 200 and then we minus by 6. So this will give us the answer of 1594. Which term is the sequence has the value of 234? So we can make it 8n equal minus 6 equal to 234. So 8n equal to 240. So n equal to 30. So this is the 30th. Show that 139 is not a term in the sequence. So let's check it. 139. So we can make it like T18. This will be 8 times 18 minus by 6, which is 138. And after this, T19 is gonna be 146. So 139 is not a term. Look at number 5. For each sequence below, find the general term and the 50th. Okay, so let's check it, the difference of each. So it's gonna be plus by 2, here also plus by 2, plus by 2. Only one difference, so this is 2n plus by 5. So the T50 is gonna be 2 times 50 plus by 5, which is the answer is 105. Next, we got minus 5 to minus 6. Minus 5 to minus 13. So this is plus by, not plus, minus. So we goes minus at 13 minus. So minus 8. Minus 8, also minus 8. So the difference are equal, minus 8. So we can make it minus 8, 9. And then to make it into 5, it's gonna be 5. 5. Oh no, it's 5, not 5. So this will be 3. Like 3 minus 8 and if 1, okay, minus 5. Correct. So T50 is gonna be 3 minus by 8, 50. So which will give us the answer of minus 397. Okay, let's see it. C. Let's find it the difference first. So 2 into 8 is 6, plus by 6, here also plus 6, plus 6. Oh, okay, plus 6. So this is 6n. Then to make it 2 is minus by 4. Okay, we got it. So T50 is 6 times 50 minus by 4. So this will give us the answer of 296. D. I need more space. Let us write it here. 4. And then 9, 16, and 25. 4, 9, 16. Okay. I think we can see it from here directly. You may take a look. So the first difference, this is gonna be plus by 5, and then 9 to 16, isn't it? It's gonna be plus by 7, and then this plus by 9. So this is the first difference. Next, second difference is plus by 2, and then we plus by 2. Okay, we got the first difference and then the second difference. So the first difference, if we got the two difference, so it will involve the n square. It will involve the n square. So what can we see from here? So if this is the first term, so this is n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4. Okay, we can see it from here. 2, to make it 2 is like, we can make it like n plus 1, and then we make it square, like 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 square is 9. Okay, we got it. So T50 equal to 50 plus 1, and then we make it square. So this will give us the answer of 2601. Next, okay, let me rewrite here 2.3, and then 3.5, 4.7, 5.9. Let us see the pattern. So you got 3.5 minus by 2.3. This is the difference is plus 1.2. Here also the same thing, 1.2. This is 1.2. So we got 1.2n. So 1.2 to make it 2.3. We just addition by 1.1. So T50 is going to be 1.2 times 50 plus by 1.5. So the answer will give us the answer of 61.1. Okay, draw the number, the sequence table of the number of the math 6. In the first, okay, let us draw it. So this is n, Tn. So n equal to 1. How many stick? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stick are there. N equal to 2. It's gonna be 4, 5, 6. Okay, 11. And then n3 is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So n4 we plus by 5, which is 21. And 5 plus by 5 is 26. 6 we plus by 5 is 31. So this is the table. And then find the formula of the n term. Okay, the difference is 5, all of them. So we got only first difference. So this is gonna be 5n. 5 to be 1, we just minus by 4. 5n minus by 4. How many matches are needed for the 99 term? So T99 is gonna be 5 times 99. We minus by 4. So this will give us the answer of 496. Which pattern will need 276 matches? So we can make it 5n minus 4 equal to 276. So 5n equal to 280. So n equal to 280. We divide by 5 is gonna be 55. So we need in the 55th term. Okay, there it is. Thank you. We will continue for the second part.